fix the mistake. Okay, let's try now. Let me save it. Okay, let's try now. And go. Okay, so it turns here because the ultrasonic sensor senses 10 centimeters away, so it turns. And then this number on the top here, I'm not sure if you can see it, is the reflection of light that this sensor is sensing. It keeps changing because reflection is changing. Okay. Okay. Let me sit here. And there we go. I'm just gonna hit it. No. Turn. Just barely. Okay, and there we go. Dun 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 dun.